What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's say that you have a horrible credit score. I mean, absolutely horrible credit score. Um, there's so many people that wonder what credit cards they can get with a horrible credit score. Well, I always like to give them my opinion, and they don't really necessarily like the opinion that I give. Now, before I get started in this video, please hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below, and check out some of the other links, credit card links, things like that. If you can qualify for those cards, definitely sign up for those cards. They're great cards. But I get this question a lot, asking me, I have horrible credit. How can I apply for this card, or how can I get a card that gives me amazing benefits? Well, my answer to that person, 99% of the time, I'm saying 99% of the time because there's always that one person that is close to qualifying for a certain card, and I'm like, okay, well, you can qualify for this card, but I don't recommend it. So 99% of the time, I will recommend that you go for a secured credit card. I don't ever recommend that you go for a credit card and care about the benefits or the rewards if you have a low credit score. And why is the reason to this? The reason is you shouldn't care about all this stuff. You should be caring about your credit. Why is your credit that way? Is it because you're using too much of your credit line in the past? Is it because you let things go to collections? Is it because you have these derogatory marks? Is it because you haven't made payments on time? Why is your credit score that low? And we need to figure out a way to fix it, because it doesn't take that long to fix it once you understand what's going on with it. So I always recommend going into Credit Karma and finding a way to get a more accurate credit score than Credit Karma. But Credit Karma is a great way to get at least some sort of information. Especially if you have a lower than a 550 credit score, it makes sense to look into there because you're going to see a lot of blaring information, something that hits you right from the start. Oh, you know what? I have 2 derogatory marks. It's a high impact. Oh, okay. You know what? Let me figure out how to get that out of the way. You go to creditrepair.com. That's the thing that I did. I had derogatory marks when I was in college for health related stuff. So you find a way to get all of those things off of your credit report, and then you can go about your day. But in the meantime, you can start with a secured credit card. And it's not necessarily saying that you would go for a secured credit card that still needs to be approved, like a Discover card. You still need to be approved for that, and they're probably not going to approve you for that. You can go to a credit union. Most likely, you will get approved for a credit union secured credit card because it's your own money that's coming from the bank. You're creating a credit card out of that money, out of that $200, and then you'll be able to pay it back. And then if you end up defaulting on that, the card just gets canceled without any worry or anybody having to pay extra money. Yes, you might have to pay some interest and all that stuff, but you don't really have to worry about that, and it's not too much of a liability on the actual company. So that's where it's great to open these secured credit cards and get something established, get the credit history established, because then once you fix those derogatory marks, your credit score shoots through the roof. I'm telling you. So my recommendation is not to go for these, the Apple card, which does approve you at a lower credit score, to go for the gold card, the Amex Blue Cash Preferred card, all of these cards that I'm talking about on my channel. It's not all about those cards. It's about fixing your credit, and then you understand what benefits you can gain from those cards. So I don't ever recommend going for anything. I will never tell you, hey, you can apply for this card in this situation. No. Take your credit score, make sure that it gets fixed, figure out all the information, and then you can go from there. But that's my opinion. You can take this how you want, and you can go and search other information and find a way to get approved for those cards. But I always recommend fixing your credit first if you do have a bad credit score. I do have a couple of videos to where I go over credit cards for an excellent credit score, good credit score, average credit score, and bad credit score as well. But like I said, I always recommend going for a secured credit card, and I believe I have secured credit cards in that video. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you agree that that person should go and get a secured credit card and also fix their credit score. Let me know what you think about that. Also, let me know what you think about the video itself. I got a new microphone, so hopefully this does work out. It's a shotgun mic, so I don't have to wear anything on my chest, and I can easily record. So let me know what you think about the whole video process. But make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, check out some of the links down below if you can apply for those cards. Those are great cards. You get great bonuses, and yeah, everybody wins out of the deal. So that's it. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.